What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Everything Weapons. A little bit of British military news for you today. So, Royal Navy's sea launch of combat-proven Kamikaze drone, the Nyan, points to fleet's hybrid future. So, the demonstration of a new shipboard strike capability comes amid advancing plans to integrate drones deeply across the British-UK fleet. All credit to the Warzone website. This is where we're going to be reading today. So the UK Royal Navy has launched a Kamikaze drone, the Nyan one-way effector, from a ship at sea, marking a significant step towards the British and their ambition of a so-called hybrid naval force. This is just one element of a much broader push towards increased reliance on unmanned and uncrewed platforms, something that was underscored in the long-awaited defense investment plan unveiled earlier this week. So during recent trials off the south coast of England, the Nyan one-way effector drone was launched from the experimental ship, the XV Patrick Blackett, a platform used by the Royal Navy as a test bed for new technologies. The trial, known as Exercise Neptune Reach, involved personnel from the Royal Navy's 744 Naval Air Squadron, 26 Royal Artillery of the British Army, and the Royal Air Force. In a statement, Luke Pollard, MP, Minister for Defence, Readiness and Industry, said Britain is serious about the transition to a hybrid navy with new powerful drones at the heart of the Royal Navy. By bringing together Army and Navy expertise to field strike drones from a ship at sea, we are accelerating the capabilities our forces need to stay ahead of our adversaries. The catapult launcher for the Nyan was installed on the ship's deck. Operators then programmed the drone to fly to a specific target, which it flew to by itself autonomously while the ship was underway. Developed starting in 2022 specifically for precision strike, the Nyan was designed and built by Callan Lens, a subsidiary of BAE Systems, BAE Systems. It is intended to be a low-cost strike platform with a unit cost of less than 100k euros, which in American US dollars is about 132,000 according to the manufacturer. So the drone has a wingspan of around 9.5 feet and a reported range of more than 93 miles, which is 150 kilometers, meaning it can hit targets at a greater distance than the Harpoon anti-ship missile. Built mainly of carbon fiber, the Nyan is powered by a small turbojet engine. The design of the drone and its construction include reference to low observability, including a stealthy exhaust nozzle, making it harder for hostile air defenses to detect and destroy. So the Nyan drone and launcher have already been tested and extensively during the land exercises. During Exercise Spring Storm in Estonia this year, the British Army used the system in support of NATO allies on maneuvers. Thereafter, the British Army's Royal Artillery adopted the Nyan for operational service. So ahead of that, the Nyan made its combat debut in Ukrainian hands. In the maritime context, the Exercise Neptune Reach trials from the Patrick Blackett ship, experimental, were part of the wider tri-service project Vantage. This is focused on rapidly testing and delivering one-way effectors for the British Royal Navy. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you enjoyed this war update of the British military and want other updates from around the world military, consider subscribing. Drop a like. A thumbs up is greatly appreciated. It really does help push my videos to a new audience. And ring the bell. It takes 1 second. Why not? It lets you know when I post a new video, and check out the older stuff on the channel. I will see you guys later. Hope you have a good week. Bye.